What's happening, family and friends? Welcome back. My name is Naj. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a DIY installation of the CTS Turbo cold air intake system for the B9 S5 S4. My DIY videos are usually very straight to the point. All you need is like a little bit of common sense. So yeah, let's get to it. Now, before we start installation, I'm just going to describe what you need to set up before we start. So first, this is your heat shield. You have these leather surrounds that come separately, so you're gonna have to just kind of cut it up and edge it around. You also have these two mounting tabs that have the 10mm bolt in it. Once you mount the tabs and the rubber surrounds, put the clamps on your inlet hose. Now you get two silicone hoses in this package. This one with the little thing coming out of it. I believe this is for the 2-liter turbo A4, A5. So we're not gonna use that one because this is an S. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and a T20 driver. So removing the stock air intake system is pretty straightforward. The first thing you want to do is remove this panel. Remove the hood latch tab. You want to pop the screwdriver in this little button up top and just pulls right out. Remove the panel. Next thing you want to do is remove this plastic inlet. You're going to grab your T20 driver, and there are two screws, one on the right and one on the left. Go ahead and remove those. Once that is done, you pull this out. Now the next thing you want to do is remove your airbox. So first we're going to end up taking this clamp off and this one as well. We're going to remove this little flex pipe. Now mind you, this is a plastic inlet pipe and you don't want to put too much pressure on it. So when you pull this pipe off, pull away from this first towards the box, flex outward, then remove this pipe. Now the airbox has 3 rubber mounting tabs, one over here and then 2 at the bottom. So what you want to do is grab the box firmly and just yank it up. Now you have these rubber mounting tabs in the bottom that you're going to take off because you are going to install them on these tabs in the heat shield. So slide these suckers right on, okay? Now, installing the intake is pretty straightforward. First, what you want to do is insert your heat shield where the rubber tabs go in and push from the bottom to secure them, making sure they're all the way down. Once you get that secured, take your filter, stick it in from the bottom. Attach the filter side to the silicone hose first, okay? You want to gently push this side of the silicone hose into the inlet pipe without putting too much pressure. Then you want to retake the plastic scoop and you want to insert it, intake side first, down into the entrance, and then go ahead with the T20 and tighten the right and left screws. Once that's finished, take your plastic cover, reinsert that, and this latch goes right back on it. You don't have to do anything. It just simply, you should hear it click on. Make sure it's good. Now that everything is installed, we simply go and take this for a spin. We whip it around the neighborhood and we hear the sweet noises that this car gets to make now. Let's do it. Let's take this for a spin right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drive around this nice area of Roswell, Georgia. All right, and we're gonna make tss noises, tss, like this. Oh, oh, oh. There's just something about installing an intake in your car. It's like every single time you get a new car, it's almost one of the first mods that you do. Every time it's gonna put a smile on your face. Look at this Tesla, look at this. I didn't even hear him coming. Get it? Because it's a battery. You do feel a little difference in pickup, and you feel like the car can just breathe better with this intake system. Listen. CTS Turbo's website does say that this has like a 10 to 12 horsepower gain. But even if this intake caused a 10 to 12 horsepower loss, I would still install this bitch. It's that much worth it. Come on, dude. Come on. I can't get sick of it, yo. I can't. Listen how much louder you can hear this turbo spool. Listen. Listen. does give a nicer tone to the exhaust. You hear the shifts kind of more, you hear it a little louder. I like it, it's nice. It's probably the cheapest fun mod you can do. It's like $250. It's the equivalent of like 2 oil changes, yo. Give me a break. If you don't have this mod on your car, I highly, highly suggest you install it. But you know what I think this modification will go great with? Resonator delete pipes. And I think that's gonna make even a nicer difference as far as sound, tone, and just overall, you know, aggressiveness. Oh, look at this. A Ford Fiesta. Ride or die, bitch. This is too much fun. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 product. Listen, thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.